You can use Perplexity to get answer from a specific time frame. So let me give you one example. I just searched on Perplexity what are the top 5 iPhone innovations. And this is the answer that it gave me. There is the innovation from 2007, 2008, 2010, etc. But what if I want to specify the answer from, let's say, iPhone innovation in the last 5 years, basically after 2020? Is it possible? Well, the answer is yes. You can use this search operator. Basically, you can use this format after year, month, date, or before year, month, date. Now, let me give you one example. I'm going to edit this prompt. And let's add a new line. I want to search content after 2020. So the search operator would be after, colon, and then 2020. And then January would be 01. The first January also 01. Now just hit enter and let Perplexity do the research, and it will isolate other content that was published before 2020. So this answer will be only innovations from after 2020. And if you want to get content before 2020, then just replace the word before with the word after with before, and there you go. Now the question is it possible to have multiple or two syntax or search operators at the same time? Basically, you want to search after but before a specific time. Let's say you want to search content after the year 2015 but before 2020. Yes, you can do that. You can have multiple search operators in the same prompt. Now I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to add after 2015, 01, and 01 again. So it will isolate the content that was published between 2015 to 2020. And yeah, this is the result. Now, there is actually another technique that you can use in Perplexity to get answer between a specific time or from a specific time. We are going to be using a feature called space. So let's go to space and let's click this plus button to create a new space. And I'm going to call this one, let's say, search from a time frame. And description and instruction, you can leave them to be empty and click continue. So what's unique about the space feature in Perplexity that there is this feature. So you can set the recency of the content. You can start from all time, today, last week, or last month. So let's try last month, and I want to know about, let's say, top AI news from last month. So it's very new. Click this button, and the content will be specified to only the ones that was published in the last 30 days, which is, I think, very relevant if you want to get the latest information. Now, admittedly, it is not going to be as accurate or as specific as the previous technique, because you can only select week, month, or year. So it's not going to be useful for all the time. So I do still recommend to use this technique to get information from a specific time using Perplexity. But either way, those are the two techniques that you can try to find information from a specific time using Perplexity. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.